Hello and welcome to Orissa Post Live. You're watching the news roundup of the day with Lopata. Let's have a look at the top stories.
Amid the rise of COVID-19 cases in several parts of the country, Odisha Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik Sunday appealed people to strictly follow COVID-19 safety norms in order to prevent any probable lockdown-like situations in days ahead. The daily COVID-19 cases in Odisha are now below the 100 mark and zero infections is our target. Even though the overall situation is under control, we should not get complacent as COVID-19 fear is not yet over, Naveen said. Commissionerate Police Sunday arrested the accused involved in the much talked about music director Sumanta Mohanty murder case which occurred in 2008. The arrested accused has been identified as Bikramaditya Jaina, who had been absconding since the crime. The body of 35-year-old Sumant Mohanty was found stuffed inside the trunk of a Maruti car in a canal in Mancheshwar area in Bhubaneswar on 10th October 2008. When the body was recovered, it was found naked and full of deep cuts and wrapped in a bedsheet. As protests to revoke the hike in holding tax still continue, the Bhubaneswar Municipal Corporation Sunday chalked out plans to seal buildings of tax defaulters. According to a source, the BMC has directed via a circular issued in this regard to all zonal deputy commissioners concerned to initiate certificate cases against the defaulters under the provisions as envisaged in OPDR Act 162. In a shocking incident, a married woman has held captive and gang raped for 3 days by 2 truck drivers at a house in Barbil town of Keonjhar district. The accused drivers Khudabaksh Ansari and Muhammad Nasir have been arrested, police said Sunday. According to the police, the victim, a resident of Bhadrasai area, had a fight with her husband on 11th March. She left her house and was waiting for a bus at Roida Chowk to go somewhere. The Election Commission has ruled out that there was any attack on West Bengal Chief Minister and TMC leader Mamata Banerjee that led to her injuries, sources in the poll body said Sunday. After reviewing the reports sent by its 2 special poll observers and the state government, the commission concluded that Banerjee sustained injuries due to lapse on part of her security in charge. Unhappy over delayed highway projects which amount to Rs 3.15 lakh crore, a parliamentary panel has asked Ministry of Road Transport and Highways to prioritize their completion instead of announcing new projects. The delayed 888 projects pertain to construction of 27,665 km of national highway. The department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Transport, Tourism and Culture, in its latest report tabled in Parliament, also asked the National Highways Authority of India to prioritize its delayed road projects.
That's all for today. You were watching Orissa Post Live. To stay updated, stay with us.